Hi guys, I'm going to show you a good app called Android Assistant. You can see my memory info, RAM, CPU info, battery info, space info. If you press quick boost, it frees up some RAM memory. You can kill apps and the tools, volume control, silent vibration sound, save battery, let's clean all, batch installer, file manager, system clean, batch uninstall, setup manager, battery use, FSD, backup and permissions. From down here you can switch on Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, synchronization and flight mode. In settings you can see all these options. Ignore list, very useful, and that's it.